Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Your girl is back with another amazing hair butter. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this beautiful butter by using Amla oil, hair fertilizer and shea butter. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Amla oil here. So this is Amla oil, guys. For those of you who doesn't know Amla oil, it's actually an Indian hair growth oil. This oil is great for hair. This oil can really help to strengthen the scalp and really help to strengthen the hair and reduce the premature pigment loss from hair graying. It also stimulates hair growth. It reduces hair loss. It prevents or treats dandruff and dry scalp. It also prevents or treats parasitic hair and scalp infection like lice infection. Guys, if you're having a lice into your hair, if you have a lot of lice, try this Amla oil. Is great for hair. So my next ingredient is virgin fertilizer. If you are from Africa, you know this virgin fertilizer. Guys, I have to confess a little bit, these things stink. Okay. Okay, both of them, they are good with smelling. Okay, hair fertilizer is also help to stimulate hair growth by opening up your follicles and getting your blood flow going. Guys, these two ingredient is great. Okay, next ingredient was my shea butter. Okay, I added like 1.5 spoon of shea butter into it. So I bring the bowl to the fire so that the oil can all melt together. So before I forget, guys, you can actually find Amla oil in any Indian shop close to you, or you can order them on Amazon. Okay, you can order it in Amazon. You can also just go to any Indian shop close to you and then you can find them easily. Yes, so there are so many different types you can get. Like there's one that was really blue. The oil was really thick. Okay, so this is actually the one I found. Like I said, you can find it in Amazon. Okay, yeah. So after that, you just keep stirring this oil so that the oil can really melt together. And as you guys can see, my oil have melted together, and now I'm gonna be setting it aside and I will let it cool down. I will just bring it outside for like half day. Okay, if you're still having a cold weather, you can just leave it outside for a half day. And if you are living in in Africa, which the weather is very hot, so you can just bring this bowl like this to your fridge, and then the oil will get hot like this again. So this is actually the main part that you have to do. And after the oil gets so like strong hard again, and then you are going to start mixing everything together. Yes, just keep mixing, guys. Okay, keep mixing until you get that consistency that you are looking for. So obviously I actually didn't get a solid consistency of this hair butter. Think it was because of Amla oil or this hair fertilizer, which I don't know why I didn't get a very solid consistency of this butter. So basically this is how it's looking at this point. If you want to add more oil, you can go ahead and add more oil. For me, I just wanted to try this, only these 3 ingredients out, because I know that these 3 ingredients are great for hair. So I just wanted to try it out. So as you guys can see, this is the only bottle I make this time. Okay, like I mentioned in my previous video, I don't want to be going crazy making too much different oil and hair stuff. The last hair butter that I made, I actually shared to my sisters, and it's finished. So I decided to just try this Amla oil and hair fertilizer together. Guys, this two ingredients are great. Like when I mean great, they are really good. They can really help you to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, like prevent your hair from lice. Okay, if you're suffering from lice, if your kids are having a lot of lice into their hair, try this hair butter. It's really gonna help you to kill all that lice. Okay, if you have lice into your hair, use this hair butter, guys. Use Amla oil. It's very, very great. So as you guys can see, when I transfer it into my bottle, it was really liquid. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so after 1 day, this is actually how it's looking. It turned into butter. Okay. Yeah, so as you guys can see now, it's really solid, and now you can just take some of them, rub it into your palm like this, rub it into your hair, and give your hair a time to grow. Girl, your hair will grow, trust me. I think I really have to be selling all this oil. I'm kidding. So yeah, this is how I make this hair butter using Amla and hair fertilizer. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Okay, if you're watching me for the first time, I do upload a lot of DIY of how to grow your hair in a very healthy and long and thick way. Okay, I do a lot of natural products in this channel, so please do not forget to subscribe. Leave your girl a comment if you have used Amla or fertilizer into your hair. Okay, thank you all so much for watching today's video, and we hope to catch you on my next one. Much love. Bye bye.